Hey guys, so today I will be showing you guys some tips on how to get a lot of money in Roblox Jailbreak. So let's get right into the video. So guys, what first you need to do is, this is a really good tip if you're police, so this is a police tip. What you're supposed to do is people will see you and, what? Okay guys, this person's asking. Sorry guys. See how much she will offer. How much does she even have? Okay guys, I'm gonna pause it. Since this guy punched me, he will get arrested. He got arrested. So what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to pretty much just stay right here and wait for some prisoners to come. And what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to arrest them when they come behind you, and you just get a lot of cash. So watch this. Ready? What? Go. So guys, this is, oops, someone is shooting over here. So guys, let's just go over the bench and we're going to start arresting. This is one of my favorite tips as a police. You get so much money out of it. So yeah, this is a perfect tip on how to get a lot of money. It depends on what server you're in, because there might not be a lot of prisoners. So we are going to go on to the next tip. I'm going to switch to a prisoner, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. So guys, I am back. I lost connection right when I was going to start recording. Sorry about that. So once I get right into this video, well, part of the video, I'm going to show you another tip as a police, because I kind of got kicked out of the server. So we're going to start on that. So as a police, I will be showing you guys this police station. Well, you guys probably know about it, but if you play Jailbreak. So you are supposed to go to the police station. This is a tip if you want to do it. I mean, it's kind of complicated, but it manages to work for me, of course. So right here. Okay, so this is a really good server. It's an 850 bounty, but I mean, you get an arrest and it's 850. That's what you guys want to do. Since I'm a police, yeah, I don't know. Since I'm a police, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. So yeah, I'm going to be a prisoner, and I'm going to show you guys this other glitch that I love. So, prisoner. So yeah, guys, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you this next thing that we really need to do. And she got a key card, so we're in luck. Guys, when we have key cards, we can pretty much just let anyone in the police station. Oh, fudge. Oh, there's other criminals in here, whatever. So guys, I better just get some guns just in case. And I'm going to be our bodyguard as this shotgun. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go get a helicopter. Hopefully one spawns in time. It's probably not going to happen. Oh, there's a police. Guys, I gotta go. Come on, I fell off of here. Okay, guys. Oh, I'm shooting my vehicle. Do you want to come in with me? Oh, okay. So guys, what you are going to want to do is you're just going to want to go into the city. And oh, there was a cop right there. Oh, jeez. Good thing we got away. So, yeah. Yeah. We are going to be going to the city, and robbing is the best. I forgot to tell you guys. Here's another tip. It's a simple tip. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. You guys might already have it. Is upgrade your duffel bag. in your duffel bag, and then you will get more money. You will get half of the money. So, and just rob. I'm sorry to say, just rob. I feel like you get more money as a police in some ways, and, you know, I think that just because when you're a police, you sit on the bench and you just get 200 cash every arrest. So you make thousands of money in like a minute. So you guys might want to do that because, I don't know, you just can if you want. I mean, but yeah. I'm gonna go get a heli, guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm going to go get something, and I'm gonna show you guys this glitch. Well, you guys probably already know about it. Actually, you know what? I am probably gonna end the video off here. Thank you guys for watching the video. Oh, there's a cop right there, guys. Shoot the cop. Hacker. Oh, guys, I got arrested. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video off here, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Comment down below if you guys are new and if you guys want me to do like these types of videos, like these videos, like glitches videos, Robux giveaways. I'm gonna start to do those again. I don't really wanna, yeah. So just let me. But yeah, just let me know if you want to do it, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.